हेलो डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सोर्सेस क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आईएसएस, दैट मीन्स इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विस का पेपर वन एग्जामिनेशन का रिसेंट एग्जामिनेशन का पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। सो अगर आप लोग हम लोगों से क्लासेस जाना पाना चाहते हैं या डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन ज़रूरत है और हम लोगों की तरफ से प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन, मॉक टेस्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल, इसमें कोई भी चीज़ का कोई भी ज़रूरत है, विदाउट हेजिटेट आप कॉल और व्हाट्सअप कर लीजिए इस वाले नंबर पे। डॉक्टर साहब हिमसेल्फ रिप्लाई टू योर क्वेरी थ्रू व्हाट्सएप। तो आपको सभी को तो पता ही है, स्टैटिस्टिक रिलेटेड एग्जामिनेशन के लिए सर्विसेज क्लासेस इज़ द बेस्ट कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन इन इंडिया। अगर आप लोग इस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए प्रिपरेशन लाना चाहते हैं, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurabh's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurabh sir. So let's start with question number 26. Question number 26 में क्या बोला गया है? Let u of t and v of t be the moment generating function of two random variables x and y respectively, and v of t equals to u of log u of t. If u of x equals to 2, then what is the value of u of y? So to find e of y, we can use the properties of moment generating function. Recall the first moment generating function, that is the mean, that can be obtained by differentiating the moment generating function with respect to t and evaluating at t equals to 0. So e of x, e of x को हम कैसे लिखेंगे देख लो। of x equals to del derivation of u of t by dt given points t equals to 0, and e of y, first step derivation, that means dv d of vt by dt given t equals to also 0. So given v of t equals to u of log u of t, v of t equals to u of log u of t, we need to differentiate vt with respect to t. We need to differentiate vt with respect to t. That means v of t equals to u of log u of t So using the chain rule, we can derivative of v of t. Using chain rule, can find the derivative of v of t. That means, sorry, d of derivation dvt by dt equals to d by dt of u of log u of t equals to u dash log of u t into d by dt of log ut. So first we need to find the d by dt of log ut. D by dt of log u of t equals to 1 by u of t into u dash of first order derivation of ut. So dvt by dt, d of vt by dt equals to u dash of log u dash of log of ut into u dash of t divided by ut. So now evaluate this derivative at t equals to 0. Now evaluate this derivative at t equals to 0. So dv of t by dt at the point given point t equals to 0, that is equals to u dash log u of 0 into u dash of 0 by u 0. So we know that u of 0 1. So because the MGF means moment generating function evaluate at 0 is always 1. So therefore log u of 0, that means log 1, therefore log u of log u of 0, that means log 1, that is also 0. So we need to find the derivative of dvt by dt at the point given point t equals to 0, that is equals to u dash u first order derivative of u of 0 u dash 0 into u dash 0 by 1. This means u dash first order derivative square of u of 0. Since e of x vector e of x is 2, so we have u dash first order derivative of u0 equals to ex, that means that is also 2. So d of v of t by dt at t equals to 0, that means u dash 0 first order derivative of u of 0 square, that means equals to 2 square. So what will be the result? The result is 4. Okay, so therefore the expected value of y, that means ey is 4. So what will be the correct option here? Correct option is ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ऐसे ही बहुत सारा मेथड को आप जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए सब्सक्राइब के साथ। आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू चैम्प।